Hi, I'm Rhys from the Animal Rehab Clinic. I'm here to tell you a bit about why it's important to rehabilitate your dog's cruciate after surgery. I'm also going to show you a few simple exercises you can do at home to make sure that your dog has a great result in the long term. Now, cruciate tears are the most common injury dogs will get, and the surgeries to fix them are one of the most common surgeries that a vet will perform. You find in most cases your dog will also do the other cruciate, which makes for quite an expensive process. Now, you might be wondering, why is it that dogs usually do the other cruciate? Let me show you.
This is Tara. Tara is a 1-year-old border collie who came to see us just a few weeks after getting her left cruciate operated on. You can see by the way she's walking, she has quite an obvious limp, and as you can imagine, she's compensating quite a lot. So let's have a look at exactly how much she is compensating. If we look at the report, you can see that her good leg, her right hind, is taking almost 90% of the body weight. Her left leg in comparison is only taking 30%. So you can see from this how important it is to get that balance back into your dog's hind legs after cruciate surgery. And that's where rehabilitation plays a really crucial role in helping that happen.
Now, humans also do the other cruciate, but it's much less common. One of the key reasons is what happens following an ACL repair is an extensive rehabilitation process. Now, we believe at the Animal Rehab Clinic, if we took that same concept and applied it to animals, we can get better long-term surgical outcomes for dogs after cruciate surgeries. Now, I'm going to show you 3 of our go-to exercises that we use for most dogs following cruciate surgery. Now, this isn't an exhaustive list. We use other exercises. We also use an underwater treadmill, and we do use a laser depending on what's going on with the dog, but these ones are simple enough for you to try in your own home. Now, of course, all dogs are different. Depending on what's going on with the dog or its ability to do these exercises, we may need to tailor them a little bit. So we do recommend consulting with your vet or your ABM professional if you have any trouble with these. The first exercise I'm going to show you is something I call stifle wobbles. It's a nice easy exercise and it's very effective. We know in people, one of the key things that stop people getting back to full athletic ability is loss of their proprioception. Now, proprioception is the ability for our brain to know sort of where we sit in space. It's just like when we close our eyes, we know exactly where our nose is. Now, what happens after a big traumatic injury such as a ACL or CCL in dogs, injury or the surgery, is that you lose awareness of where your knee sits in space. So the purpose of this exercise is to help retrain that proprioception.
Now you want to start with your dog standing nice and square on a flat, even ground. Crouch down behind them. Now with both hands, grasp around your dog's stifle and move it gently in a clockwise or counterclockwise direction about 5 or 6 times, and then change direction and go the other way. It should be nice and gentle and your dog shouldn't exhibit any signs of discomfort.